Okay, it is about 5 o'clock. Check this out. It has not rained here in central Illinois for, well, about 3 weeks. Not one drop. So today it's been all sunny. Now this is in the sky. It's looking pretty crazy. That's the east. You can really hear it, but I just thought that was really odd colors right there. I'm gonna walk on out here just a little bit. We definitely need the rain. Check that out. That is so wild looking. Back around, ooh, lightning. That is the north. That is the west. And then we're in the southwest. That is incredible looking. Whoa, we can hear it. Let's not get caught out here in the thunderstorm. I am out here. Check this out. It's incredible looking. It's over my head. There's no rain yet. This is wild looking right there. That's the sun because I guess it's not close to sunset, but look how bright that is. No puppies. That is